Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to use Hungarian voice on 11labs. So what you have to do is to navigate to this website 11labs.io, go to the sidebar menu and choose the voices option. Then the next step is to click on the collections options here, then scroll down to the language pack and choose the Hungarian option here. Once you click on it, it should appear like this. There are 4 voices available. You can proceed to click any of the voice and check if they are up to your specification, then add them to your project by clicking on this plus add or use. So once you click or add them to your project, you can now modify them to your taste. So this is how to use Hungarian voice on 11labs. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below. Thank you and see you in the next one.